Hello everyone, welcome back to Speed Spectrum. The 2026 Toyota Celsior redefines luxury, blending cutting-edge technology with refined craftsmanship to create a driving experience that is both exhilarating and serene. As Toyota's flagship luxury sedan, the Celsior continues its legacy of sophistication, now featuring an advanced hybrid powertrain that seamlessly balances power and efficiency. Under the hood, a newly developed 3.5-liter V6 hybrid engine, paired with an electric motor, delivers an impressive 400 horsepower, ensuring smooth acceleration and effortless highway cruising. The refined chassis, combined with an adaptive air suspension system, offers a ride that is both responsive and supremely comfortable, making every journey a pleasure. The exterior design of the 2026 Celsior is a harmonious blend of modern elegance and classic sophistication. A sculpted body with fluid lines enhances aerodynamics while exuding a commanding presence on the road. The signature front grille, now featuring an illuminated Toyota emblem, seamlessly integrates with the sharp LED headlamps that utilize the latest in laser light technology for enhanced visibility. The long wheelbase not only contributes to the sedan's stately appearance but also ensures a spacious and comfortable interior for both driver and passengers. The flush door handles, a first for the Celsior, contribute to its sleek profile while improving aerodynamics. At the rear, full-width LED tail lights create a striking visual identity, ensuring the Celsior remains recognizable from every angle. Step inside the cabin, and you are greeted by an atmosphere of pure luxury. Every detail is meticulously crafted, with premium materials such as hand-stitched leather, natural wood veneers, and aluminum accents adorning the interior. The expansive digital dashboard seamlessly integrates a massive 15-inch OLED infotainment screen with a fully customizable 12-inch digital driver display. Toyota's latest AI-powered voice assistant allows for intuitive interaction, enabling drivers and passengers to control navigation, climate settings, and entertainment with simple voice commands. The advanced ambient lighting system, with customizable colors and dynamic themes, enhances the sense of tranquility, making nighttime drives an immersive experience. Comfort is paramount in the 2026 Toyota Celsior, and the rear passenger experience is just as indulgent as the front. Executive rear seating features fully reclining leather seats with massage and ventilation functions, while an optional refrigerator and rear seat entertainment system with dual 12-inch touchscreens ensure ultimate relaxation on long journeys. The noise-canceling cabin, engineered with state-of-the-art sound insulation materials and active noise suppression technology, ensures that the outside world remains distant, allowing passengers to travel in absolute serenity. Technology plays a crucial role in elevating the driving experience of the 2026 Celsior. Toyota's latest semi-autonomous driving system, Lexus Guardian 2.0, offers enhanced lane-keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and hands-free highway driving in designated zones. The vehicle's AI-driven predictive navigation system learns driving patterns and suggests optimal routes based on traffic conditions and personal preferences. Additionally, an advanced augmented reality heads-up display projects critical driving information directly onto the windshield, reducing distractions while keeping the driver informed at all times. Safety remains a top priority, and the 2026 Celsior is equipped with Toyota's most advanced safety suite yet. The latest version of Toyota Safety Sense includes an upgraded collision avoidance system, pedestrian and cyclist detection with enhanced night vision, and a 360-degree monitoring system that provides a bird's-eye view of the surroundings. The innovative emergency driver assist system can detect signs of drowsiness or sudden health emergencies, automatically bringing the vehicle to a safe stop and alerting emergency contacts. The Celsior S hybrid powertrain not only provides exhilarating performance but also ensures efficiency, with an expected fuel economy rating of over 40 mpg. The vehicle's intelligent energy regeneration system captures kinetic energy during braking and converts it into electric power, further optimizing efficiency. Toyota has also incorporated solid-state battery technology, which significantly enhances energy density and charging speed, allowing for short bursts of pure electric driving in urban environments. Customization options for the 2026 Toyota Celsior are extensive, with a wide range of exterior paint choices, wheel designs, and bespoke interior configurations. Toyota's exclusive Takumi craftsmanship program offers a personalized touch, allowing customers to select unique upholstery materials, handcrafted trims, and even tailor-made scent diffusers for a completely customized in-cabin experience. The all-new Smart Key system integrates facial recognition and biometric authentication, ensuring a seamless and secure way to access and start the vehicle without the need for a physical key. Driving the 2026 Toyota Celsior is an experience unlike any other. The precise steering, combined with an electronically controlled all-wheel drive system, ensures stability and confidence in any driving condition. The adaptive air suspension dynamically adjusts based on road conditions and driving style, providing a plush ride when cruising and firming up for sharper handling during spirited driving. With multiple drive modes, including an all-new Zen mode, which enhances relaxation by adjusting cabin lighting, sound isolation, and seat settings, the Celsior adapts to the driver's mood and preferences effortlessly. The 2026 Toyota Celsior is more than just a luxury sedan, it is a statement of refined engineering, advanced technology, and unparalleled comfort. Whether chauffeuring executives in the rear seats or providing an engaging drive behind the wheel, the Celsior embodies the perfect balance of power, prestige, and innovation. With a commitment to sustainability, cutting-edge safety, and the finest craftsmanship, the latest Celsior continues its legacy as the pinnacle of Toyota's luxury offerings.